Hello, I'm Sean Stewart, Deputy Registrar for Absentee Voting for the Fairfax County Office of Elections. Today we're pleased to share some important information about the upcoming general election. On Tuesday, November 5th, county residents will vote for President, Vice President, and their members of Congress. Additionally, a state constitutional amendment and 2 county bond issues are on the ballot. Herndon Town residents will also vote on mayor and town council. Registered voters, keep an eye on your mailbox for the Fairfax County sample ballot brochure. It will include information on where you vote, the different ways to cast your ballot, how to check your voter information, and of course, a sample ballot for your precinct. If you aren't registered to vote in Fairfax County, there's still time to complete your registration before the presidential election. If you are registered, please ensure your voter information is correct. You may do either of these online at vote.elections.virginia.gov. We strongly encourage you to register or update your address or name before the October 15th deadline. If you miss this deadline, you may complete a same-day registration at any early voting site or on Election Day at the polling place for the precinct where you live. However, if you complete a same-day registration, you must vote a provisional ballot, which isn't counted until after Election Day. Fairfax County offers 3 ways to vote. You may cast your ballot in person at any Fairfax County early voting location, vote absentee by mail, or go to the polls on Election Day. In-person early voting begins at 3 locations on September 20th. 13 additional locations open throughout the county on October 17th. You'll find opening times and locations on our website. To vote absentee by mail, complete an application online using your DMV-issued ID or driver's license on the Virginia Department of Elections website. Fairfax County is committed to accessible voting. All polling places comply with ADA guidelines, including offering ballot marking devices. Curbside voting is available for individuals over 65 and people with disabilities.
That's why we're here. Could you please state your name and address, ma'am?
Voters may request assistance from an election officer in marking their ballot or bring a companion to help them vote. Be sure to ask an election officer for a voting assistance form. Additionally, ballots are available with Spanish, Vietnamese, and Korean translations. On Election Day, November 5th, you must vote at your assigned precinct polling place. To look up where you vote, visit fairfaxcounty.gov/elections. Our website will have the most up-to-date information for any polling place location changes. Would you like to work at the polls? Thousands of people from across the county join their neighbors on Election Day to serve as election officers.
I do solemnly swear or affirm.
If you'd like to join them, visit our website today and apply to work at the polls. You will support the election process, serve your community, and earn $250 for your service. Remember, the best place to find accurate, up-to-date information about voting and elections is on our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/elections, or by following our X account @FairfaxVotes.